Today we get to be singing scientists. We are going to sing a song about the water cycle to help us remember the different parts and to remind us that water travels through the atmosphere in liquids, solids, and gases. So this song is kind of like a repeat after me song, which would mean I would say a lyric and then you would say it back. But this is a little different and it's a bit of a challenge, but I know you're very smart boys and girls, so you can handle it. So for the first verse, we will echo each other, and then for the chorus, we will sing all together. I will sing and you will sing. And while we're singing the chorus, we will clap to the beat. But for the first verse, and you'll see what I mean once we go over the lyrics, but for the first verse, we are going to use pointing. So when it's my turn to sing, you will point at me, and I will point at me, and I will hold up this sign to remind you that you will point either at me, and if it's your turn to sing, you will point at yourself, and I will point at you to help you remember. And then at the chorus, like I just said, we will be clapping to the beat, and I will hold this sign up to remind you that you should be clapping to the beat. Okay, so we are going to go over verse 1 first. And I'm going to say my parts, and then I'm going to say which parts you say, and then I'm going to say the lyric. Okay, here we go. Evaporate. You will say condensate. I will say into the clouds. You would say falls like rain. Unless it's cold, falls like snow. To the ground. Precipitation falls in liquids. Precipitation falls in solids. Very good. So that's the whole song, and we're going to break it into different parts so that we can learn the entire thing easily. So the very first part, I will say evaporate, and you will respond with condensate. So I will point to me. Let's practice. So your mouth should be closed. I will say evaporate, and then you will say condensate. Let's try it one more time. That was really good. I'll say evaporate. Good. Now the very next part is into the clouds, falls like rain. So I will say into the clouds, and you will echo with falls like rain. Here we go. Into the clouds. One more time, good job. Into the clouds. Good job. And remember to make sure that you're pointing in the right direction. Now, the next half of the very first verse, I start again, and I will say, unless it's cold, and you will echo with falls like snow. So I will start. Get ready. Unless it's cold. Good job. And then I will say to the ground, and then we will sing all together the chorus. And the chorus is precipitation falls in liquids, precipitation falls in solids. Good. Okay, we're going to try the first half of verse 1 and then the second half, and we're going to do the chorus. Okay, get ready. I'll show you my signs so that you can practice. Evaporate into the clouds. Good. We'll do that one more time, and I'll sing it with you the second part so you, as a refresher. Evaporate, condensate into the clouds. Falls like rain. Good job. Now we're going to do the second half of the first verse. Now I will start. Unless it's cold, you will say, to the ground, and then we'll do the chorus. So let's tie verse 1 all together. I know you can do it. Get ready. Use your best singing voices. Evaporate into the clouds. Falls like rain. That's the part you will say. Sorry. Unless it's cold. I will say to the ground, and then that's your cue to know that we're about to start the chorus. And I'll remind you again, the chorus, say it with me, 1, 2, 3, ready, sing. Precipitation falls in liquids, precipitation falls in solids. Good job. Now we're going to try and put it all together. I know you can do it. All right, we're going to start with verse 1, and it's my part first. Evaporate into the clouds unless it's cold. To the ground. And now it's time to do the chorus. Precipitation falls in liquids. Precipitation falls in solids. That was a really great job. We're going to do it one more time all the way together, just to practice. I will start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, sing. Evaporate into the clouds unless it's cold. To the ground, and then we'll do the chorus. Precipitation falls in liquids. Precipitation falls in solids. Good job, class. You worked really hard. Thank you.